Hey guys, welcome to .NET Techie. I'm Deep Gautam. So today in this video, I'm trying to explain you what association is. I have presented my previous video, what is aggregation. In that, the association has been used between client and portfolio. If you could watch that video, you will get to know that. So here comes what association is, which is getting used in aggregation. An interviewer may ask this question, and it has been asked quite frequently in the industry. So when I say use object-oriented programming, it can be like Java or .NET or any object-oriented programming which is available in the market. This interview questions can be asked. So let me try to give you insight about what is association is in object-oriented programming, and the answer for you which I have prepared is basically I am coming up with a lot of interview questions and answers for you guys, and previously also created many interview questions and answer. Please have a look on my playlist and you will get to know that what all I am having for you guys. So let's jump on the definition of that particular thing. So association is the relationship among the objects. So when I say relationship among the objects, that means some kind of interrelationship or project is object is sorry object is related to each other in some manner. So association is the relationship between the objects. So let me so the below class public class portfolio which is having the ID and name property and getter setup for that, and we are having another property called client, and client is having the list of portfolios. So one client can have multiple portfolios, and that's where the association is. You might have used this concept quite frequently, but it comes to explain in the interview. Basically, these kind of simple questions: what is abstraction, what is encapsulation, what is aggregation, what is association. It gives a hard time for the programmer, but definitely we must know. Alright, so if you are looking for such kind of interview questions and also, please watch through my playlist and you will get to know that. So it's just a quick brush up while going for the interview for you guys, and this is what association is, which I have demonstrated in the theoretical and practical manner what association is. So client is having multiple portfolio, that is called association. Thanks for watching this video, and please like, subscribe and comment on my video. Kindly help me on this, and it would be great if you have any questions with respect to this. You can comment on my video. I will try to explain it, and I have prepared the video for many interview questions, and in my playlist you could go and watch it. Even I do have the video on the Angular. So Angular I have taught in depth in my YouTube channel. So what is Angular, how to configure Angular, how to use grid in Angular, how to use chart in Angular, or even I have prepared many projects in Angular 5 along with the C# and Base API, how to use Swagger and all these things I have prepared in my channel playlist, different playlist. You could go and watch it. And if you want any kind of code related to Angular or C# or anything with respect to my videos, you just comment your email ID on my video and I will try to provide you those code as well. So video is free, knowledge is free, and source code is also free. So I hope you will like my concept. This is just my initiative to give back the society whatever I have learned from the society or whatever I have learned from the internet. I'm trying to give back, and definitely it may help to people to enhance their career or grow in their career. So rather than searching here and there for all the materials, I have I have tried to give in one place where you can come and learn it. So if you are interested, you could go and watch my playlist and subscribe my channel for further updates so that you will be getting notification. And you will get notification only when you will hit on the bell icon of the subscription. So kindly subscribe and enable the notification for my channel. It will be always helpful rather than the you like many Facebook posts or WhatsApp post or anything. So it will not harm you if you will like my channel and my videos. Thank you. Kindly support.